Hi guys, so it's me Mousree and welcome back to Code with Mousree. So here I made the beautiful game named Scrolly from GUI patch, means the tutorial from GUI patch. Let's see that how to make it, or first see that the game. It has physics and it is Scratch 3.0 GUI. We need two arrow keys, one is right and one is left, to control the cat sprite. Okay, I think that the physical pressure in mine is too much. Okay, so let's see that how to make the game. So guys, for make the game you need a backdrop named Blue Sky and a sprite named Scratch, and this is the code of the sprite, and this is the costume of the sprite. Now the second sprite is the ball. This is the code of the sprite ball. We need physics and blocks to make the whole game. This is the costume of the ball sprite. This is called broom, or you can say donut. This is the code of the donut. So guys, this is very easy game. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye guys, take care.